everybody, how's it going? So I picked up a couple items from Harbor Freight. I thought you might be interested in what I picked up and what I did with it. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up a couple items from Harbor Freight. First one I picked up is this Apache 4800 weatherproof protective case. Weatherproof, dustproof, impact resistant, camera equipment, electronics, tools, valuables, you know, that's what they label it as. I picked it up in the orange one. I ended up gluing the sticker in the corners down. The sticker was coming up when I got it. But I also picked up these guys right here, these Luminar indoor 500 watt halogen bulbs. I figured, it says high quality halogen bulb used for flood, floor, and work lights. T3 durable, or T3 double base, double contact base, 120 volt bulb, 500 watts, 2000 maximum life hours. Color temperature 2900 Kelvin, which is pretty close to a really yellow. These guys right here, I got at Walmart, and I grabbed 3 packs of these. I normally buy the Phillips. I grabbed 3 packs because I ran out. I use these bulbs a lot, especially on work lights, and I love these Phillips bulbs. They work great. I grabbed 3 packs. The brightness is 9500 lumens. I'm not sure what the rating is. Brightness 9500 lumens. Based on 3 hours a day, you know, it's $60 yearly cost, you know, 8 hours a day. Light appearance is 2900K. So it's the same as these guys right here, 2900K, which is not bad. About the same average. I picked these up at Walmart, picked these up at Harbor Freight. Figured, you know what, since I buy the Philips so much, maybe I'll try these out. These were $2.99 for a 2-pack. These were $7.99 for a 2-pack. So there's a huge price difference between them. Figured, well, why not? This box I'm using for tools, and I actually already set this box up. So bring the light a little closer, hold the camera for you guys, and I'll open the box for you guys. So I already set it up. This is the instructions that comes in the little box, 2 silica packets. Just trace outline of each item of the foam, you know, cut, blah blah blah. But this is what I put in here. I have an MC Special brand tool made in Omaha, Nebraska. This tool is for all kinds of Toyota rear axles, whether it's first, second, or third gen 4Runners, Toyota Helixes, first and second gen Tacomas, third and fourth gen Tacomas, first, second, and third gen Tundras. You can use these for Highlanders, T100s, and several other vehicles, RAV4s, Sequoias, and I think 1 or 2 more vehicles. But these bolts right here go to the yellow plate. These bolts go to the red plate. This is just a 4-inch press plate. That's all that guy is right there. It's 4-inch 4x4 square stock. Here's the press tool. Here is to pop the bearings in. Here is another spacer ring. It's a 3-inch cutout with cap, you know, sewerage cutout. I bought this, put it in the kit because I specifically bought it for this. This is the press tool for to press the bearings out, as well as the press tool to put pressure against the retainers that go on the axle shaft. This helps also push on the tone ring and everything else. And I left space here because I'm going to be getting 3 or 4 more of these adapters from Dwayne. Dwayne is who I bought this kit from. He owns MC Special Inc. in Omaha, Nebraska. Great guy. But I got tired of this being in the box, and this is the box that Dwayne sent me the kit in, right here. And I just decided to put it in a case. That way it's safe. This case has a nice rubber gasket around it. It's never going to be floating in water or anything, but it does. This case does have a little knob for it when it, you know, open and close it before you put it in water. It's a nice little feature. It's nice that it has locks on it. More than likely won't be using the locks feature, but just wanted to show you guys what I did use the tool or the box for. I'm going to be adding a bunch more tools in here, some more press plates. This yellow one's for Tacomas. There's a press plate for the newer generation Tacomas and Tundras. There's one for Sequoias. There's one for RAV4s, and there's a couple other press plates for like the newer Helixes versus the older Helixes. So I'm waiting to get those in, and I'll line this box with those guys. But just wanted to show you guys, you know, what I use the box for. I did cut, you know, this foam is actually easy to tear out with your hands. These right here I did cut though. I actually cut these for both of these two right here. But everything else I just pulled out by hand. So just a quick video. Probably gonna leave this in here and leave the silica packs in here so that the stuff in here doesn't rust. But you know, that's all I used it for. You know, and I picked up the light bulbs because I had a huge windstorm and it blew over my my shop light, and shop light fell on the back of the housing and it shattered the bulbs. So I usually keep like 4 or 5 of these 2-packs on hand, but I guess I went through them, or I just can't find them. You know how it is. You can't find something, you just go buy another one. This box says it's IP65 rated, watertight and dustproof. Pick and pull foam insert for impact absorbing protection. Strong, secure, easy open latches. Adjustable pressure relief valve. Equalizes pressure for easy opening. Pre-drilled for 2 padlocks. Locks not included. This is item 56866. But, you know, just a quick video, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the rest of your day. Maybe this idea is useful to, you know, somebody else that may pick up this kit. I will leave a link in the description to Dwayne's eBay page where I got this from for the tools in here. If you guys are interested in buying these tools, he does have a master kit now where it's like 200 something bucks, and you can get every adapter, all the bolts, everything you need. So that is actually pretty nice. I ended up buying this first and realized, you know, it kind of like a week or 2 weeks later he ended up coming out with a master kit, but it's not a big deal. But I do appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And this guy doesn't go down any further. It's at the bottom, but it does close and it does push up against this foam up here, so that's not a big deal. Bottom of the in the top of the description below, top of the description below, I have an Ulsa Tools link. I do also have some more Ulsa Tools coming in for me to review for you guys. And if you use that link, it will get you 10% on your order at ulsatools.com. As well, it will kick me back 10% off my next order at ulsatools.com. I'm probably going to end up buying or go seeing if a buddy of mine can cut me some more plate. It's a 4" by 4" square plate. This is 1/2" plate. I'm going to see if he can cut me one that's 3/4 thick and one that's 7/8 thick in that size. Make the press work a little bit easier on some of these axles. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!